Today we are making a delicious and aromatic chicken biryani, filled with traditional flavors and amazing spices. Here are all the ingredients we need to prepare this flavorful chicken biryani. First, heat oil and fry sliced onions until they become golden brown. Add chicken, ginger garlic paste, tomatoes, and yogurt. Cook everything together to add aromatic biryani spices and seasonings. Let the chicken cook slowly until it becomes tender and full of flavor. Prepare the basmati rice perfectly for layering. Layer the rice with the delicious chicken masala, add fresh herbs, and steam the biryani until all flavors combine perfectly. Our delicious chicken biryani is ready. Serve it hot with raita and salad. Try this recipe and enjoy the amazing taste. Subscribe to my recipe diary for